You think you know speed? You think you've seen the best of American iron? From the golden age of the 1960s to the high-tech pavement-shredding monsters of the 2010s, the quest for the ultimate quarter-mile time has been the heartbeat of the American automotive industry. Today, we are stripping away the noise and focusing on the elite. Out of 100 legends, only 15 have the right to call themselves the fastest. We're talking about sub-13-second runs, factory-built drag racers, and engines so powerful they were practically banned from the streets. We're counting down the 15 fastest American muscle cars to ever conquer the quarter mile. From the raw, unrefined power of the 1968 Hemi Barracuda to the record-breaking, earth-shaking 2018 Dodge Demon, this is the definitive list of speed. Buckle up, hit that like button, and subscribe to our channel for more high-octane content. Let's drop the hammer. 1969 Dodge Super Bee 440 six-pack. Quarter-mile time, 13.4 seconds. Starting our countdown at number 15 is a Mopar legend that was built with one goal in mind: total dominance on the street and the strip. The 1969 Dodge Super Bee 440 six-pack is the embodiment of the muscle car for the masses philosophy, but with a lethal twist. Under that massive, lift-off matte black fiberglass hood, secured by 4 chrome pins, sat the legendary 440 cubic inch V8. But this wasn't just any 440. It was equipped with the six-pack setup, 3 two-barrel Holley carburetors that surge to life the moment you mash the pedal. Producing a factory-rated 390 horsepower and a massive 490 pound-feet of torque, the Super Bee could rocket from 0 to 60 in just over 5 seconds. In the quarter mile, it clocked a blistering 13.4 seconds. Its aggressive stance, B graphics, and no-nonsense steel wheels made it a terrifying sight in the rearview mirror of any competitor. 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner 440 six-pack. Quarter-mile time, 13.35 seconds. Just edging out its Dodge cousin by a fraction of a second is the 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner 440 six-pack. While the Super Bee was about style and sting, the Roadrunner was about pure, stripped-down performance. Plymouth took the back-to-basics approach, giving enthusiasts a car that was light on fluff, but heavy on go. Like the Bee, it utilized the 440 six-pack engine, but the Roadrunner's slightly different weight distribution and tuning allowed it to squeeze out a 13.35-second quarter-mile time. It was the everyman's dragster, famous for its beep-beep horn and the cartoon character on the air cleaner. But make no mistake, when those 3 Holley carbs opened up, there was nothing funny about the way this car moved. It remains one of the most beloved and feared icons of the late 60s muscle car wars. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454 LS6. Quarter-mile time, 13.12 seconds. At number 13, we arrive at what many collectors consider the king of the streets. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454 LS6. This car represented the absolute pinnacle of the original muscle car era. While other manufacturers were starting to detune their engines due to rising insurance costs, Chevrolet went the opposite direction, dropping the monstrous LS6 454 into the Chevelle. The LS6 was a beast, officially rated at 450 horsepower, though many enthusiasts believe the true number was north of 500. With a quarter-mile time of 13.12 seconds, it was the fastest General Motors car of its time. Its design was equally iconic, featuring the cowl induction hood that sucked in cool air under heavy acceleration. With its bold racing stripes and SS badging, the 1970 LS6 Chevelle is the definitive heavy hitter of the muscle car world. 1970 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. Quarter-mile time, 13.1 seconds. Coming in at number 12 is the car that defines Mopar muscle for many, the 1970 Plymouth Hemi Cuda. This wasn't just a car, it was a statement. Built on the new E-body platform, the Cuda was wider, lower, and meaner than anything Plymouth had produced before. But the real magic was under the shaker hood. The 426 Hemi V8, known as the Elephant engine, provided 425 horsepower of pure, unadulterated mechanical violence. The Cuda utilized this power to achieve a 13.1-second quarter-mile time. With its high-impact colors like plum crazy and sassy grass green, and the unmistakable vibration of the shaker scoop through the hood, the Hemi Cuda was as much a sensory experience as it was a performance machine. It remains one of the most valuable and sought-after muscle cars in history. 2003 Ford Mustang SVT Cobra. Quarter-mile time, 13.01 seconds. Breaking into the top 11, we leap forward into the modern era with a car nicknamed the Terminator. The 2003 Ford Mustang SVT Cobra changed the game for Ford fans. Before this, the Mustang had struggled to keep up with the high-displacement GM rivals, but SVT had a secret weapon: forced induction. The 2003 Cobra featured a 4.6-liter V8 equipped with an Eaton supercharger, pushing out an underrated 390 horsepower. This allowed the Terminator to cross the quarter-mile mark in 13.01 seconds, nearly breaking into the 12s right off the showroom floor. It was also one of the first Mustangs to feature an independent rear suspension, making it a threat on the curves as well as the straights. Its aggressive front fascia and unique hood vents signaled to everyone that this was no ordinary pony car. 2004 Pontiac GTO. Quarter-mile time, 13.0 seconds. At number 10, we see the return of a legend. The 2004 Pontiac GTO brought the famous nameplate back after a long hiatus. Based on the Australian Holden Monaro, the new GTO was a sleeper in the truest sense of the word. It didn't have the wild wings or the scoops of its predecessors, but it had the heart of a Corvette. Powered by the 5.7-liter LS1 V8, the 2004 GTO delivered 350 horsepower, which was enough to propel the car to a 13.0-second quarter-mile time. While some purists criticized its understated styling, no one could argue with its performance. It offered a refined interior and a smooth ride, but when you stepped on the gas, it reminded you exactly why it wore the GTO badge. It was a modern muscle car for the driver who wanted to go fast without screaming about it. 2004 Dodge Ram SRT-10. Quarter-mile time, 12.9 seconds. Number 9 on our list isn't a car at all. It's the Viper truck. The 2004 Dodge Ram SRT-10 is perhaps one of the most insane engineering projects ever greenlit by a major manufacturer. Dodge's PVO, Performance Vehicle Operations, team decided the best thing to do with a Ram 1500 was to shove an 8.3-liter Viper V10 under the hood. The result was 500 horsepower and 525 pound-feet of torque in a pickup truck. Despite its massive size and aerodynamic disadvantages, the SRT-10 could hit 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds and finish the quarter mile in a staggering 12.9 seconds. It even set a Guinness World Record as the world's fastest production pickup truck. With its huge 22-inch wheels, rear spoiler, and a hood scoop large enough to swallow a small bird, the SRT-10 was the ultimate expression of because we can. 2007 Ford Shelby GT500. Quarter-mile time, 12.8 seconds. The legend of Carroll Shelby returned to the Ford lineup in a big way with our number 8 entry, the 2007 Ford Shelby GT500. Built on the retro-styled S197 platform, this car brought the classic look of the 60s into the 21st century with modern reliability and massive power. Under the hood sat a 5.4-liter supercharged V8 producing 500 horsepower. This sent the GT500 down the quarter mile in 12.8 seconds. It featured the iconic Le Mans stripes, the Cobra emblems, and a stiffened suspension to handle the extra weight of the supercharged iron block engine. The 2007 GT500 was the car that reignited the horsepower wars of the 2000s, proving that the muscle car formula of big engine, big power was still very much alive. 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT-8. Quarter-mile time, 12.7 seconds. In 2008, Dodge officially joined the retro muscle revolution with the 2008 Dodge Challenger SRT-8, taking the number 7 spot. This was the first year of the modern Challenger, and Dodge stayed remarkably true to the original 1970 design. But under that long, flat hood was a modern 6.1-liter Hemi V8. Producing 425 horsepower, the SRT-8 could clock a 12.7-second quarter-mile. It was a big, heavy car, but the Hemi's torque made it feel effortless as it launched off the line. The 2008 model was only available as a limited edition, often finished in Hemi orange with carbon fiber-style stripes. It set the stage for the high-horsepower Challenger variants that would dominate the next decade. 2014 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Quarter-mile time, 12.2 seconds. At number 6, we have a car that was built specifically for the track, but ended up being a monster on the drag strip as well. The 2014 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This car was a masterpiece of weight reduction and engineering. Chevrolet stripped out the trunk carpet, the sound deadening, and even made the air conditioning an option to save every ounce of weight. The heart of the Z28 was the naturally aspirated 7.0-liter LS7 V8, borrowed from the Corvette Z06. With 505 horsepower and a focus on mechanical grip, the Z28 ripped through the quarter mile in 12.2 seconds. It featured massive carbon ceramic brakes and a sophisticated spool valve suspension, making it one of the most capable all-around muscle cars ever built. It wasn't just fast in a straight line, it was a scalpel on the racetrack. 2012 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. Quarter mile time, 11.93 seconds. Breaking into the elite top 5 is the 2012 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. This was the first Camaro to truly push the brand into the supercar performance territory. Unlike the track-focused Z28, the ZL1 was designed to be the ultimate high-tech grand tourer, featuring magnetic ride control and a host of electronic aids to keep all that power on the road. That power came from a 6.2-liter supercharged LSA V8, cranking out 580 horsepower. The ZL1 was the first modern Camaro on this list to break the 12-second barrier, recording a quarter-mile time of 11.93 seconds. With its aggressive Mohawk hood extractor and quad exhaust, the ZL1 looked as fast as it felt. It was a sophisticated, brutal, and incredibly fast machine that proved Chevy could do more than just big blocks. 2013 Ford Shelby GT500. Quarter mile time, 11.6 seconds. Taking the number 4 spot is a car that redefined what a Mustang could do. The 2013 Ford Shelby GT500 was a landmark vehicle. This was the year Ford's SVT team decided to see just how much power they could reliably pull from a production V8. The answer was the Trinity engine, a 5.8-liter supercharged beast. The 2013 GT500 produced a staggering 662 horsepower and 631 pound-feet of torque. It was the most powerful production V8 in the world at the time. With a quarter-mile time of 11.6 seconds and a theoretical top speed of over 200 miles per hour, this Shelby was in a league of its own. It required a carbon fiber drive shaft and upgraded cooling just to keep the sheer force of the engine from tearing the car apart. It remains one of the most legendary Mustangs ever built. 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. Quarter-mile time, 11.2 seconds. If there is one car that defines the modern muscle car era, it's our number 3 entry, the 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. When Dodge announced they were building a 707 horsepower Challenger, the automotive world stood still. It was a number that seemed impossible for a street-legal car from a major manufacturer. The Hellcat's 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8 became an instant legend, famous for its high-pitched supercharger whine that signaled imminent destruction for the rear tires. On stock tires, it could run an 11.2-second quarter mile, but with drag radials, it was even faster. The Hellcat wasn't just a car, it was a pop culture phenomenon, proving that Americans still had an insatiable appetite for excessive, ridiculous horsepower. 1968 Plymouth Barracuda Hemi. Quarter mile time, 10.5 seconds. At number 2, we go back in time to meet the only classic muscle car that can still hold its own against the modern titans. The 1968 Plymouth Barracuda Hemi was never intended for a trip to the grocery store. This was a factory-built drag racer, produced in extremely limited numbers by Hearst Performance for Plymouth. To save weight, the car featured fiberglass fenders and a fiberglass hood, thin-gauge steel, and even chemical-dipped glass. The interior was stripped of everything. No seats, no radio, no soundproofing. All of this was done to house the 426 Hemi V8, which was tuned to deliver well over its official rating. The result? A quarter-mile time of 10.5 seconds. In 1968, this car was essentially a rocket ship with wheels. It remains the holy grail for drag racing enthusiasts and the fastest classic muscle car ever made. 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. Quarter-mile time, 9.65 seconds. Finally, at number 1, we have the undisputed king of the drag strip, the 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. This car didn't just push the limits, it broke them. The Demon was built with a single obsessive focus, the fastest quarter-mile time of any production car in history. Powering this beast is a 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8 that produces an earth-shaking 840 horsepower on 100-octane fuel. The Demon was the first production car to ever lift its front wheels off the ground during a launch. It features a drag mode that diverts the air conditioning to cool the intake air, a trans brake for perfect launches, and it came from the factory with Nitto drag radials. With a record-breaking quarter-mile time of 9.65 seconds at 140 miles per hour, the Demon was so fast that the NHRA officially banned it from competition without a roll cage. It is the ultimate expression of American engineering, a 9-second street-legal monster that sits firmly at the top of our list. From the 13-second brawlers of the 60s to the 9-second king of today, these 15 machines represent the very best of American speed. They are more than just metal and rubber. They are the roar of the exhaust, the smell of burnt fuel, and the relentless pursuit of the next tenth of a second. Which of these legends would you want in your garage? Are you a fan of the classic Hemi Cuda, or do you crave the raw power of the Demon? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of high-performance machines. Until next time, keep the shiny side up and the pedal down. We'll see you at the finish line.